T-Bill.
Up.
Sup? My girlfriend's in the back.
Yeah.
I'm working on her Beamer because it leaks a lot of oil.
A lot of rags now.
Oh, sweet. So yeah, the Beamer leaks a lot of oil because the oil pan's leaking. The valve cover is leaking. So I have to... And I think the head gasket might be blown on this. I'm not sure yet. Anyways, worst case, I got the engine from the purple car. Which sadly, we're not going to be getting the RB for it right now. What's going on over here, boys?
We're looking for a dipstick.
You're looking for a dick stick?
Yeah. Oh, dipstick.
What's up?
What's up? Le dipstick est juste là.
Oh boy.
Fuck, you guys suck. My dick! Oh!
Yeah,
damn, boy! Look at this 4AG, yo.
Brand new oil.
Damn, Daniel. We got a Hachi Roku. Oh, I got rid of my 240, but we have a Lexus.
We got Beamers.
The question is,
Will it start?
But dude, we've got a blue and orange Colt.
fuck you, Ryan.
Fuck you, Ryan.
First start in over 2 years.
First crank.
First crank, actually. Oh!
Shut up.
Yep.
Does she have enough juice?
Probably not.
Clutch.
Non, ça prend dur au beat là.
That steering wheel, though.
Je pense qu'on va prendre un chargeur à batterie.
Dead.
Well, it's never easy here on Northside Productions, so we're gonna get the battery on the charger. It's actually already on the charger. This was the Miata battery, which I'm guessing is dead because Fred used it for a million times to do his little strobe things with his new underglow. And I'm in a squat position right now. Squat like a real Slav.
Alright.
Fuck it. Damn! Damn, Daniel! Damn! Damn! I like that.
I saw, dude.
I like that. Mm.
Another one.
Another one. Damn, Daniel!
La clé est à on. Ah, au starter? Ouais. Dedans?
Oh, c'est trop lent.
C'est trop lent.
Well. Look at this flat spots. My God. Same thing here. I'm always stuck working on this piece of shit. It's got freaking Bilstein shocks. Kidding me? As I was saying before my camera died, you guys can see the big couple of flat spots, bumpy spots. The pads are pretty much in existence. So I ordered some pads, ordered brand new shocks. I'm gonna get the 2 tires that are the best off the purple car over there and install her the tires, and I'm gonna have to get her 2 new tires because the rear 2 new tires, they're still very good. So once the shocks are installed, I'll check to make sure there's no loose bushings or anything, get 2 new tires and get her an alignment because she badly needs it, obviously. Actually, I don't know if it's the alignment or the shocks, because the shocks, oh my gee, oh, wow. Well, she's just gonna have to tough this for a couple of weeks. Whew, a lot of cars here today. I was gonna install the Willwood Masters on the Lexus, but looks like that's gonna have to wait a couple of days. Whew. Bought these splitters. Jack in the call, baby. So this is about where the wheel is straight. And right now it can't go far. It can go farther, but it's actually rubbing. So I'm gonna have to bash that in a bit. Actually, fixing the camber might actually help. And here we still got a bunch of clearance, so. Oh shit! Still a lot of angle. Crazy. It's gonna be fun. Can't wait to drift this little bad boy. Alright, so I made the little Willwood Master there. Bolted one bolt in. I still need to make the second bolt hole. Little line go from there to that nipple there for the clutch. Kind of sad about this here. I was hoping just to get the ball joint bolt on and it would be good, but it's not. Here's a list of everything I have to do on the car. Custom lower control arms, axle spacer, install the axle nut to the diff, new GM bar map I gotta order, gasket for the downpipe and external wastegate, the line from the clutch reservoir to the clutch master, air filter, 4-inch air filter, install my high pressure power steering line from Earl's, make the low pressure power steering line to the oil cooler power steering, the low power steering cooler line to the reservoir, and the reservoir to the power steering pump. Power steering fluid, bleed the brakes, bleed the clutch, 90 degree 2 3/4 to 2.5. Install my clear cam cover, reinstall the rad. Hopefully my coolant lines won't leak. If they do, I'm taking out the engine, making all new hard lines out of steel or aluminum. I do not want to mess around with that. Like, that is like, I just need it to work all the time. 3-inch all the way back to my bazooka muffler that's right here. The flashing light is flashing, so I gotta do this quick. Driver seat, I need to buy myself a FIA driver seat. I want to get a whatever off the shelf eBay fat boy seat so anybody can fit in my passenger seat. I need to get myself a harness for myself. And then the last big purchase item is the roll cage, which me and Ryan are working something out. We might be buying a actual tube bender for me and him, both do our cages. And got to do the rear firewall, install the bumpers. I kind of want to do front and rear bash bar, install the body kit, install the fender flares, paint the car. Here's the livery I want to go with, and tune it. We got to get car tuned too. But a lot of stuff, yes, it sounds like a lot, but a lot of those are really small things which I can push out of the way kind of quickly. Oh, I also have the wiring pass for a horn. I might add a horn just because in the pits you want people to move, just boop, boop, get the fuck out of my way. Oh, and I have to make an adapter for this to the brake booster. I'm still unsure if I want to run the brake booster. I might just run manual brakes since it's a drift car, right? So if you're pressing hard on the brakes, you don't want them to lock up. Might be a good idea. And I might have to pass one wire for the boost control solenoid. I might not work with the Gretty dual stage button thing. I might just run it straight from the ECU and have the ECU add a switch in my switch panel and have high boost, low boost off a switch. Basically, when you switch it, the ECU sends the signal, and then boom, sends the signal this thing to open at a different pressure that's controlled by the GM bar map. Whew. It's a lot of stuff. Everything's technical. Stay with me here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe for more videos. And check out the links down below. Hit me up on Patreon. Hit me up on Facebook. If you guys want to support the build, check out my merch. And definitely stay tuned because things are about to get wild real quick. So the Lexus is going to be ready soon. Drift season's coming soon. It's going to be hot soon. Fred's car is going to be running soon. We're going to get the Corolla running soon. John is going to be going drifting probably soon. Also, because he's talked to me. He's like, hey, I have a real drive freaking 2JZ car now. I should definitely go drifting. And I'm like, yes, your diff's going to blow, but it doesn't matter because that's a good time to upgrade. So hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.